Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree, and welcome to the assembly video for our Orchid place card. Now I'm doing a video for this, even though it's very simple, and actually didn't do a video for it originally because it was very self-explanatory, but we figured I wanted to just make sure that we have videos for all of our content. So here is the main structure. You want to go ahead and make sure you fold this right at the fold marks. Okay, that's going to act as the base for everything. Now this little panel here, this is the main feature, I guess you could say. Part of it finishes off the shape of the flower. Okay, and as you can see here, I used this section to write on with my Cricut Maker. I actually used the pen to write in the names. You could also do a print and cut with this if you want. I think using a nice single line font for this is perfect. So these are the pieces that you would use to put the text on. Okay, so once this is folded over, you're going to go ahead and flip this over. You can also take some time to ink it. If you take a look at the final photo, you'll see that it took a little bit of time to ink the first version of this that we released. Okay, so inking definitely, since this is such a small little piece, would really set it off and make it look wonderful. When you place this down, just make sure that you maintain a nice even border all the way around. Okay, you can put that down flat and press down. And then we have the little center part of the flower. Very delicate little piece. Just throw a few little dots of glue on that. You can spend a little bit of time inking this as well. Sometimes it's difficult inking really small pieces like this, but it is possible, so I definitely recommend it. And you can see here at the bottom of the flower here, you want to take these two little pieces that are sticking out and pop that in there, get that nice and centered. The center of this should line up with the center of the top petal, and there you have it. Okay, so this is a very simple little place card that you can mass produce, and as you can see, the video did not take long at all. So that's going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment, visit us on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. While you're there, hit the little bell so you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section, where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.